what is Pinecone and how to use it. But first, let us define what is Pinecone. Pinecone is a fully managed cloud-native vector database built for high-dimensional vector data. It includes embeddings as numerical representations of data such as text, images, audio, etc. that capture their semantic meaning. So the question this time, how to use Pinecone. First, sign up and get an API key. Create an account on the Pinecone website, then obtain your API key from the Pinecone console. Install the Pinecone client library. Depending on your preferred language, install the relevant SDK. Create an index. An index is where your vector data will be stored. You need to define the dimensions of your vectors and a metric for measuring similarity. Next thing you have to do is to generate vector embedding. You have to use an appropriate AI model, for example, OpenAI's text embeddings, sentence transformers, to convert your data into vector embeddings.